OnePlus has been dominating the mid-range budget category of smartphones. Samsung has recently launched their budget-friendly flagship models Samsung S10 Lite and the Note 10 Lite. On the Note 10 Lite, Samsung provides their flagship specs as a part of the package. We shall be comparing the popular Samsung Note 10 Lite to the upcoming OnePlus 8 smartphone to see which one comes on top. OnePlus 8 has the glass sandwich design. Most glassback smartphones support wireless charging that this device is missing. Samsung Note 10 Lite has a plastic back and has the Aura Glow design that is available on their flagship smartphones. This is quite a refreshing and beautiful look for a mid-range smartphone. As you all know, design is subjective and each one has their preference, and this may vary from one person to another. OnePlus 8 has a 6.5-inch curved display. This feature, although looks appealing, you may very often succumb to accidental touches. Note 10 Lite has a larger 6.7-inch display. Both these displays are AMOLED displays with a punch hole for a camera. The viewing experience is good on both these phones. OnePlus 8 has a 90Hz refresh rate panel. This provides for a smoother display. But Samsung has a lesser bezel than OnePlus 8, which of course means a very immersive and organic viewing experience. On the performance department, OnePlus 8 has the Snapdragon 865 processor and the Samsung comes with Exynos 9810 processor. Both of them are capable of handling any task that's been thrown at them. OnePlus 8 supports 5G network, but unfortunately, we here don't think that 5G will arrive anytime soon. Hence, we can't really recognize this as a drawback on the Note 10 Lite at the moment. Note 10 Lite is likely to outperform the OnePlus 8 on the camera specs and performance. OnePlus 8 has a triple camera setup. The primary camera is the same as we saw on the OnePlus 7T, a 48 megapixel sensor along with a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Note 10 Lite, on the other hand, has an evenly distributed camera setup with 12 megapixels regular wide and telephoto lenses. In comparison to the macro on the OnePlus 8, the 12 megapixel telephoto lens does a better job. The Note 10 Lite can capture sharper and detailed images in comparison. The same can be said for the videos on the Note 10 Lite, plus it's steady. Note 10 Lite has a front-facing 32 megapixel camera, while OnePlus 8 has a 16 megapixel shooter. OnePlus 8 has a 4300 mAh battery that comes with 30-watt charger in the box. Note 10 Lite, on the other hand, has a 4500 mAh battery and comes with a 25-watt fast charger in box. With a lower refresh rate and a larger battery size, we can give this round easily to the Note 10 Lite. Note 10 Lite has the infamous S Pen included, which is available only in their flagship models. This feature is something that we have not seen on any other smartphone that is currently in production. You can use the S Pen to take down notes, convert handwritings, and it recognizes your handwriting. If doodling is something you enjoy, this is your guy. It can also be used to control music, your camera shutter, and so many more. Note 10 Lite has a feature that lets you create AR doodles. These features are not natively available on the OnePlus 8. Let's look at some of the extra features available on both these phones now. OnePlus 8 has an alert slider and a pair of stereo speakers, while the Note 10 Lite has the headphone jack and an SD card slot. Most of us users prefer the latter in comparison to former in terms of these extra features. In conclusion, if your priority is performance, you should consider getting the all-new OnePlus 8. But if you wish to have an all-rounder prioritizing the camera, notes, doodling, then Note 10 Lite is the device for you. We believe this video was informative. If you like this video, click on that like and let us know which one of these two you would prefer down on the comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to Tech Feeds. Thank you.